Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting a cute colorful fish. So let's start to draw. At first we will draw the fish body texture. Then we will start to draw his detail like his tail and fin. Yes, like that. Always remember drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Now we will draw the cute fish eye like that. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Now let's learn the colors name. Dark pink color, sky blue color, dark purple color, yellow color, orange color. At first we are using the yellow color. Thank you little friends. Bye bye.